Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Adobe Analytics step by step to understand your website's data and make smarter business decisions. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you want to try Adobe Analytics for yourself, you can just use my affiliate link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to click on the link that is given in the description. It is going to redirect you here on the official page of Adobe Analytics. Now, once you come over here, you will see this particular prompt that says unified customer analytics across data, content, and journeys. So before hopping on how you can get started with them, we need to briefly understand what is Adobe Analytics exactly. So Adobe Analytics is a powerful web analytics platform that helps businesses track user behavior across the websites, app, and digital channels. It is going to basically collect the data in the real time, analyze how the visitors interact with your content, and turns that information into the reports and the insights. It is basically the part of the Adobe Experience Cloud, and it is widely used by larger organizations for deeper customers analysis, segmentation, and performance tracking. In simple word, if you have ever wanted to know what is happening on your website, where the users are coming from, and what drives the conversions, Adobe Analytics can show you all of that in one dashboard. So in order to get started with them, basically, you need to come here on this business.adobe.com page. Over here, you will see this get started option here on the top right hand corner of the screen. When you click on this option, you will be landed on the page where you can basically book a demo with them. Yes, you heard that right. In order to get started with them, you need to fill out this form. Over here, you need to first of all provide your first name, then your last name, then your business email. After that, you need to provide your business phone number. Then select the job title or the role, your department, the organization name, your country, and the postal code. So once you do this, hit the submit button and wait for some time until you get any response via email from the customer support team of Adobe. So once you get the response from them via email, you just have to follow further instructions to open a call with them. Then on that call, they are going to basically provide you the login credentials of yours, which you can basically use here in order to get access to your dashboard. So after the payment and after that demo call, once you have the sign in credentials, simply click on the sign in option on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now over here, select which account you want to create. So after selecting it, you will get access to your Adobe dashboard. Now, once this step is done, you are going to basically see the dashboard. Then from that, you can customize everything relating to your business. Now, if I talk about some of the key features, so first of all, I would like to say the platform is going to provide you the real-time reporting. So Adobe Analytics is going to give you the live data updates. Basically, you can see how the users are interacting with your website at any given moment. It is also going to help you identify the sudden traffic changes or the campaign results instantly. The second feature of this platform is the segmentation. Basically, you can create the audience segments based on the geography, the devices, the referral sources, or the behavior. For examples, the users who viewed 3+ pages but didn't buy. This makes it easier to understand the different user groups and target them effectively. And then the third feature that I would like to mention is the path analysis that it provides. So path analysis is going to show you how the users are moving through your website. Basically, you can visualize the most common entry pages, which they click next, where they drop off. So this feature is great for optimizing the user experience and conversion funnels. Now they also have the attributing modeling. So if you run the ads or the campaigns, the attribution modeling is going to help you understand which channels actually drive the conversions, like whether the users are coming from the email or the search or the social. So this particular thing is going to help you invest your marketing budget wisely. Then they also going to give you the custom dashboards, basically with the help of which you can design your own dashboard with the drag and drop tools that it provides. In the dashboard, you can add the visualizations like trend lines, then pie charts, funnels, or bar groups, all using the live data. You can also share the dashboards with your team for collaboration. Then Adobe Analytics is going to connect with other Adobe tools like Target and Campaign. So this allows you to analyze the data, test the content, and optimize the experiences in one ecosystem. It is also going to give you the predictive analytics and AI, which is also called Adobe Sensei. So with Adobe Sensei, the built-in AI engine can get automated insights like anomaly detection, predictive scores, and automatic segmentations, which is going to save you hours of manual analysis. Then, if I talk about what I really liked about this platform, I would say that it is an all-in-one enterprise analytics tool with deep data tracking. It is going to give you the real-time customizable reports that fits any business model. It is also going to help you understand the customer's journeys and behavior in great details. It integrates perfectly with other Adobe Experience tools for marketing automation. It provides you the AI driven insights that save time and uncover the hidden trends. Now, here are some of the cons that I would like to mention. First of all, it can feel little complex if you are absolute beginner, especially without any prior analytics experience. The pricing is also custom and can be expensive for the small businesses. It requires some technical setup to implement tracking tags properly. Now, if I talk about the pricing, you can just see for yourself. We have the pricing tab. When you click on the pricing tab, you are going to see the pricing that it provides. So as I've told you earlier, it is not actually fixed and it is not widely available on their website because the cost actually depends on the scale of the business, the data volume, and the features that you want to select. Typically, it is aimed at medium to large organizations. While it is not a budget friendly tool, the companies often find the detailed insights and the automation features pay off by improving their marketing results and customer understanding. So the question here is Adobe Analytics actually worth it? In my opinion, if you run a business that relies heavily on the online traffic, the marketing data, and the customer behavior analysis, then absolutely Adobe Analytics is one of the best tools out there. It is going to give you a complete picture of what is working and what is not working. It is going to help you optimize your user experience and supports the smarter business decisions. It also makes the time to learn, but once you do, it becomes a game changer for your marketing and growth strategy. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.